Today I want to teach you and dear Ellie how to talk like a native American speaker using idioms and slang words. Without further ado, let's go. Ellie, today I'm walking on air.
Walking on air?
Yes, I'm walking on air.
What does it mean?
It means I feel light, happy, joyful.
Oh.
Yeah, nothing can stop me. I'm walking on air. In American English, when you want to say you feel light, happy, joyful, you say,
I'm walking on air.
yes, not
Walking on air.
Walking
Walking
on air. I'm walking on air.
I'm walking on air.
Not
On air.
yes, on air. I'm
On
walking
air.
on air.
I'm walking on air. On air.
Yes, air.
Air.
I'm walking on air.
I'm walking on air.
Yes, you can practice, you can get better.
I'm walking on air.
Yes, good. I'm pumped up.
Pumped up?
Yes, I'm pumped up. I'm excited. I'm energetic right now. I'm pumped up. Yes.
I'm pumped up.
Pumped up. In American
Pumped
English,
up.
when you want to say you're excited, you're energetic, you say,
I'm pumped up.
yes, I'm pumped up with this, like with this smile,
pumped up.
with this happy face. Yes, just like the way you
I'm
wrote.
pumped
I'm
up.
pumped up.
Yeah.
Pumped up.
Pumped up.
Yes, pumped up. Good. I'm on top of the world. I feel great and unstoppable. I'm on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world.
Not top of the world. Top of the world.
Top of the world.
Top of the.
Top of the.
Top of the
I'm
world.
on top of the world.
You're saying top of the. It's not
Yeah.
of the. Top of the.
Top of the.
Top of the.
Top of the world.
Yes, I'm on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world.
Yes, you don't hear the F sound.
Yeah.
So,
Top of the
yes, I'm on top of the world. I feel so happy. I conquered the whole universe. I'm unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable.
Unstoppable, yes.
Unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable.
I'm unstoppable. So it's so hard to say. So just let's say I'm on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world. Top of the world.
Yes, not of the.
Top of the world.
Yes. I'm finally in a good place after all those stressful moments. I'm in a good place. When you want to say you're mentally and emotionally stable,
Yeah.
you say, I'm in a good place right now.
I'm in a good place.
Yeah, I'm in a good place in my life. But when you say he is in a good place, it means he's dead. He's in a good place, man. Sorry for the loss. But I'm in a good place means mentally and emotionally,
I'm stable. I'm
I'm
happy.
stress-free, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm in a good place in my life. So, are you in a good place?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's your birthday. Yeah, it's gonna be your birthday in 10 days. So you should be in a good place.
I'm so happy.
So, what you want for gift? What do you want? What do you need? Tell me. Anything. You can ask for
Anything.
anything. Yes.
Anything.
Anything.
Okay, I need a car.
Just tell me the model, and I'm gonna order it.
Okay.
Just which color?
Okay. Black, of course.
Black car. Okay. And
FJ is good.
FJ. I wanted to buy you a Mercedes, but you
No,
just,
FJ is great.
FJ is good. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, anytime.
Black.
Anything for my dear student. Like anything. See?
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a good teacher. I can buy you big cars. These days, I'm living the dream.
These days, I'm living
The dream. Yes, I'm living the dream. It's like I'm having the best life.
I'm living the dream.
Say it with emotions.
These days, I'm living the dreams.
Dream.
Dream.
Yeah, I'm living the
I'm
dream.
living the dream.
Yeah, I'm living the dream. I'm having my FJ and I am stress-free.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
I hit the road.
I
and
hit the road in my black FJ and I'm not gonna answer anyone's
volume up
call.
the
Yeah, turn up the
music.
volume, just hit the road and yeah,
Yeah,
stress-free
I'm
life.
living my dream.
Yeah, living a dream.
Living
So,
the dream.
Yeah, will you pick me up when you're driving your
Okay.
FJ? Okay, so with that face? Okay, come on.
I have
Say yes.
FJ.
You have FJ, just you don't have like okay. It's
Yeah,
just
of course I pick you
yeah.
up
Okay, thank you.
every day.
Oh, thank you. Okay,
You're welcome.
I will buy you one. So how much is this? Can I buy it just with like $500,000? It's $500,000. Maybe?
$500,000, yes. I
Okay.
think you can.
I think okay. You just think $500,000, but I'm gonna buy it for you someday.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can
I
promise.
will show you the key.
Yeah, we will actually just reveal the
Yeah.
FJ1, but I'm gonna search.
If you want to me pick you up, write us in the comments.
Yeah, if you want her to pick you up, just write in the comments, so
Yeah.
she will pick you up. So thank you. She's always in good spirits in the morning.
Always, I have always good spirits in the morning.
No, you are. You say I am in good spirits. Yeah. She's always in good spirits in the morning means she's cheerful. She's in a good mood. Yes. Good spirit, good mood. Yeah. I am tickled pink to see you today.
Tickled pink.
Tickled pink. It means
Tickled
very happy. I am tickled pink.
I'm so tickled pink.
I am tickled pink.
I am
to
tickled
see you.
pink to see you today.
Smile. Or see you just happy.
I am tickled pink.
Tickled pink to see you.
Yeah.
Yes, tickled pink means
Tickled pink.
very happy. I'm feeling fly today in my new outfit. I'm feeling fly. Yes,
today.
I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling strong. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling fly today in my new
feeling
outfit.
fly today.
Yeah, I'm feeling fly.
Feeling fly.
Yeah, in American English, when you want to say you're so confident, you're so like happy, I'm feeling fly today.
I'm feeling fly today.
Yeah, it means I can fly in this new outfit. She's on fire with her new business.
She's on fire.
Yes, it means
she's so good in that.
Yes, she's so good. She's performing so well.
She's on fire.
I was really in the zone during that workout. In the zone means focused. When you're in the zone, you're focused. I was in the zone during that like master class.
I am in the zone.
Yes,
with
you're
my
in the
study.
zone with your study. Yeah, good. So it means you're focused. Yeah. So
I am in the zone.
in the zone. She showed up to work, bright eyes and bushy-tailed.
What?
Bright eyes and bushy-tailed. It means so energetic, with full of
Bright
energy.
eyes and
Bright
bushy
eyes and bushy-tailed. Just
Yeah.
yeah, it means
Bright eyes and bushy tails.
bushy
Bushy
tailed.
tailed.
Yeah. So
Bushy tailed.
yeah. He's just high on life after his trip to Bali.
High on life.
High on life. It means
does it mean?
extremely happy.
High
yeah.
on life.
He's just high on life after his trip to Bali. Actually, that is my favorite destination to go. Like when I just get married and I want to go for my honeymoon, I may go to Bali or like Mykonos or
Mykonos is
Santorini. Like I think I would go to Mykonos or Santorini. Just like I don't know, they're same or like different, but I love it. I mean,
great. So beautiful.
the blue and the white, the castles,
Yeah.
it's so beautiful. But I would prefer Santorini to Bali.
Yep,
I think
of
they
course.
only show you the beautiful parts of Bali,
Yeah.
and it's only like dirty, and this, yeah, it's beautiful.
There's just a
Yeah,
little point
it's just
is-
beautiful, but I mean,
They don't show us all.
yeah, they don't show us all. But Mykonos, oh my God, it's
Everywhere
beautiful.
is
Everywhere is beautiful. You can
Yeah.
just walk and just be amazed. Another destination I want to visit actually is Portofino, Italy.
Filipino.
Yeah,
It's great.
it's so beautiful. Oh my
It
God,
is.
I want to go there. One day, I will visit there I want to send you the cards. I just
Thank
want to
you.
bring you with me, maybe. We can just have our class in
Either.
Portofino. Yeah. Oh my God. It would be so glamorous. Imagine that. Oh my God.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
But if I'm in there, I don't like to study.
Yeah, actually.
It's
Yeah,
not
we're gonna
fair.
have fun. We're gonna have fun, but after the fun, we can just
Yeah.
study, right? Why not?
Yeah,
We can
why
have it
not?
all together. It is fun. We're talking together.
Yeah.
I mean,
You're right.
is my method boring to you?
No.
Okay, my method is just, come on, energetic and fun.
Yeah.
Just,
Of course.
yeah, of course. So,
That's why I'm your student.
yeah, thank you. Okay. I don't know if you understood or not, but today I'm full of beans.
Full of beans.
Yeah, I'm full of beans. I'm full of energy.
Full of beans.
I drank 2 coffee, and maybe that's why, but I am full of beans. I mean, yeah, I can
Full
go...
of beans.
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 Yeah, not beans. Beans.
Beans.
Yeah, I mean, I can go for a walk. Hey, tomorrow I have a actually workout date. It's not, we're not gonna work out, but we're gonna run with my friends. 7 in the morning. She said, hey, I wanna be there, but I'm gonna be there, and I see, hey, if she is gonna wake up at 6 and be there at 7 or not. I don't know.
Let's see.
Let's see, yeah. But after a long time, I'm gonna, I mean, it's good, right? When you just get up in the morning and go for a
Yeah.
walk, and
You
after
feel
that,
fresh.
yes, you feel fresh, and just take a shower and eat breakfast,
Yeah.
and just have more energy during your life. And but this other days, you sleep until 10 or 11,
Yeah.
you just wake up, and when you start your day, it's 1 or 2, and you just
You don't have
missed.
enough time.
Yes, you
or
don't have enough
you
time
miss
to
lots of
like
the
deal with
time.
anything. You just missed half of your day.
Yeah.
So I decide from tomorrow. I mean, no, I have a travel. After my travel, when I came back, I want to like wake up at 6 or 7, and I want to do that regularly. Like,
That's great.
okay, you're in.
Okay.
Not okay. Say yes, I'm in.
Yes.
Okay, yes, let's go. Today my heart is full.
Your
I'm
heart
feeling
is full.
emotionally satisfied. Yeah.
My heart is full.
Yeah, my heart is full today. Nothing can make me sad. My heart is full.
Full of love, energy.
Not love, but
No, when we say my heart is full, it does mean
yeah.
like something
means-
like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Energy, love.
Yeah, my heart is full. He's been in the pink ever since he started exercising.
In the pink,
In the pink means feeling good, feeling happy, feeling like powerful.
in the pink.
In the pink. I am in the pink means I feel good.
I am
So,
in the pink.
yeah, I'm in the pink.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm in the pink. Yeah.
I'm in the pink.
Yeah. Are you in the pink? I'm in the
Girls
pink.
will love this.
Yeah, like
I'm in the pink.
a girly sentence. But yeah, not a manly sentence. Hey, I'm in a pink. Yo, bro. Don't.
Yeah.
I'm in a black. Yo. Yeah, boys are like that. They just want to say,
I'm in the
hey,
pink.
I'm a man. But deep down, they're just a little kid.
They are in the pink.
Yeah, they're in the pink. So that was all about today. If you like this video, please comment and tell me, hey, I liked it. Okay, I'm kidding. Watch other videos as well if you want to improve your English level and if you want to talk like a native American speaker. And also, just subscribe my channel if you just haven't subscribed it already. So yeah, that was all about today. I don't want to talk and just bores you up. So yeah, you want to say something?
No.
Come on, please.
Have a great day.
No, just say something.
I'm in the pink.
Yeah, she's
Be in the pink.
Yeah, be in the pink and have a like
Yeah.
beautiful day or night. Bye, guys.
Bye.